I'm just very angry at CDIFI. Even all of you, Ate Mel Canete, Ate Dina Guillermo, including Mimax Vargas, Teacher Maxi, Teacher Gemma, even Teacher Honey. But I did not include Teacher May Tiburcio and Teacher Marisa. But I was very angry, including Jean Asedio. You know what, all of you? All of you wants to threaten me to call the police, and you want to threaten me to arrest me during the time the incident. You know what? I will threaten all of you, CDIFI, if I start this revenge. You Zionist, you imperialist. Like I said before, I will never forgive all of you. All of you are bullies. All of you are stupid. You know, I don't want to be good friends at you, CDIFI teachers and staff. All of you are pro-Israel. All of you are pro-US. All of you are pro-Benjamin Netanyahu, pro-George W. Bush, pro-Bongbong Marcos, pro-Romualdez. All of you are pro, even pro-Yoav Gallant. You know, this is hard to say, folks. I was very angry at all of you because all of you are stupid. All of you are warmongers. Like I said before. Oh, are all of you are happy? You want to humiliate me? Huh? During the time, the incident when I cursed Prince Gun with the PI, you know, I will never going to forgive all of you, CDIFI. All of you will never be forgiven. Including you, Teacher Evelyn Caja. You are my arch enemy. Even you, Ate S. Because you know, CDIFI is not good at me. They are fascist. They are Zionist. They are antichrist. Look at the Caloocan Evangelical School. They are pro-Christ. They are pro-Palestine. They are pro-Russia. They are pro-Hezbollah. Oh. All of you think that CDIFI are very stupid, you know. I think all of you are stupid. All of you teachers, staff, all of you are stupid. This is why I left the CDIFI since 2003 until 2020 in pandemic for almost 17 years. I've been victimized by a Zionist. I was victimized by Jews. I know I'm a Jewish too, and I am supporting for Iran. I am supporting for Russia. I am supporting for Palestine. Oh, you think CDIFI, you want to be a bully? How come I am a bully? You are a bully. You are a manipulators. All of you are bullies. All of you are son of a bitches. Like I said before, even you, Teacher Alexandria Pagkalinawan and Teacher Jonathan Bactad. All of you are bullies. I never include Teacher Vincent Ramos. I never include Teacher Gio Malana. I let them be. And this is all your fault, Teacher Alexandria Pagkalinawan. You're a bully.